horsies? Look at them, Everly, look! I want to see the horses. Holy cow, look how big they are.
Come on, take your glove off. Don't be afraid. I'll go over him.
No, not sugar.
Actually,
thanks, Austin.
it is thinking / talking about possibly getting a second vehicle.
You can't buy this car.
Why?
Because Eli's not starting to learn on an Infinity.
So hello and happy Saturday. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to our van. Little woman is stretching like we've been in the car for 3 hours.
She said she was really tired.
We haven't though. Oh, you're really tired?
Just because my arm lays on my arm the side. That's like.
Well, luckily you get to come out now. You're gonna get your coat and make sure you have your hat and your mitts, okay?
I do have
So, okay, so we are at the Sugar Bush, which we do every year. It's a tradition. It's a fun family outing where we get to learn all about maple syrup and tree tapping and all the things that have to do with that. We also get some yummy pancakes, that's right, with some of the local maple syrup. We also get candy, maple candy. I think the horses are here. Hopefully the horses are here. We usually take a little ride on the horses, and it's a beautiful day. It's like 4 degrees and sunny. So anyway, so we're getting unloaded, and I don't know what we're gonna do first, but we're gonna go have some fun, some Sugar Bush fun. Did you see the horsies? Look at them, Everly, look!
One thing for this, big, some have fuzzy, and some have not fuzzy.
Yeah, some are fuzzy and some are not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you can basically all something.
We're gonna get some candy because priorities.
Candy.
And then I don't know if we're gonna go on the ride first or pancakes first. We'll see.
To everybody else, this looks like an average horse-drawn wagon. You are now entering a time wagon ride. We're taking you back in time.
They weigh about 2,000 pounds each. And then Dave will take over and tell you everything you need to know.
Do you want to come see the horses? Here, come with me. You don't want to come say hi? She doesn't want to miss the action of what's going on. I want to see the horses. Holy cow, look how big they are. Oh my goodness. look at them. They're so nice. Aww. Horsies.
Men would go out, they would hunt, be fruitful, and get the fires going. They would actually have their ceremonies. They would do their ceremonies around noon. And they would sage, and they would do that. They would all do their sage, and they'd have their tobacco for good luck, all their prayers. They'd always put it in their left hand, because that's the one closest to their heart. They would collect the sap from the tree. Now, this is the first cordless drill. They would drill a hole in there because one of them decided that if we drill a hole and we insert a spile, first original spile, they put a little hole in it, and then they touch the wood out as such that the sap would run down that and then drop right in the pail. It would fill up faster, wouldn't lose as much in the tree on the way down. And this, like I said, this would be a fun thing. This would be like a festival. So they do all their cooking in the main cauldron here, they cook in here. Then the fat would drip down here. As the fat would get here, they could line the outside of the kettle. So when the sap came up to it, the bubble, it wouldn't go over that. They wouldn't carry on over.
Go to the next station.
So they would build these houses, sap houses, out in the woods. Some today have been converted to stone shacks, but in the Amish area, they're quite popular. Waterloo County has all kinds of in the woods. So they would take a bigger pan that's in there, a little bit deeper, bigger, and they would just take the bucket and fill it up. That's how they changed it. And then the old pipeline, we have now the vacuum. When we started making syrup here in the early 90s, that was what we used to use. We'd be out here night and day. Put your finger in there and take that, taste that. Push down, there's water in there. There you go. Right? It's really good for you.
You want to try some?
Come on, take your glove off. Don't be afraid. Watch out for the worm. You see the bubbles? So it's still freezing. This one's going pretty good. Yeah, look at that. See that?
Ooh, look at that.
This is a sap ladder. This did not come by an accident. I'll get back here and start digging the trench. Each one will put a shovel on the ground. And I looked up and I said, well, let's go overhead. We sold the shovels the next year. Anyway, this is a vacuum. So right now, you can tell there's nothing coming out here. We use a vacuum cleaner. Very unique tool. We use a vacuum cleaner to suck the syrup down. And this is Daryl. What's about? Yeah. So from here, it's ended up being anywhere from 66.6, 68 or 69, and we readjust the temperature points. And there's a picture of the yellow belly sap sucker I was talking about. Nutrition facts, maple syrup, and there's different grades and different colors. And we grade that here as well.
All right, well, we've finished our tour and we have consumed a lot of candy. We had the little maple sugar candies and now we're having lollipops.
They taste like fully sugar.
They taste like maple syrup.
Waffles. I mean, not waffles. No, the
Pancakes.
The other ones that are shaped like leaves, they feel.
Oh, I know the maple leaves. Those are my favorite ones. They melt in your mouth.
Yeah, it's so good.
Are you enjoying the candy, Everly? Yeah, huh? So now we are waiting for the horsies.
I my hair. It made it so humid in there.
Yeah, I know, because of all the steam. I know.
When did the face get there?
I don't know. That's been there for a while. We're waiting for the horses to come back to take us to the pancake house,
Mommy,
so we can have more.
every time the steam from the thing came over, I'd give it a big sniff.
Didn't it taste good?
Yeah.
I mean, didn't it smell good, the steam? I know, it was crazy.
I wanted a candle like it.
I was thinking if you were having a bath and the steam smelled like that, that'd be pretty good.
And you were eating like a maple candy in your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
Pancake. Pancake. know, that is what it looks like.
Oh my gosh, so remember the Christmas feast?
Yeah.
Daddy, no, don't cut it right
To
now.
that, it's like the, it looks like ice cream. So the butter to use on my bread. Everly, good job.
Really carries
Everly,
candy to the car.
Everly, can you give that?
When I still hold it, when I'm still walking, it makes it roll away. I just tried to keep it in my hand, but trying to get out.
So it was extra hard and you still did it? Yeah. So we should clap again? Yay!
No!
Okay. Can we just do a soft cheer?
No! No!
What about snaps? Can we do snaps?
No!
Okay, Everly's gonna hand out the candies. Can you give one to Shiloh?
No!
You don't want to hand them out to
You
everybody?
carried them. You can hand them out.
No.
Okay, here, that can be yours.
What?
I have them.
Shiloh, here.
You don't want a candy, Everly? You don't want one?
Well, I do because I don't want to hand them out.
You don't want to hand them out? Okay, then Daddy will give you one for you.
And the grip is not I need one more.
She doesn't live for the applause. Applause. Had to get candies, you know, because we haven't got enough for the road.
Our sugar
These
high
are
is
our
already starting to
favorites.
fade.
These little maple sugar candies that are just, that's what they are. They're maple sugar.
They're melting your mouth, not in your hand.
They are. They're fantastic. Oh, Everly doesn't have one. Everly doesn't have one. There we go. Mine.
Daddy, when I was waiting for the pancakes,
Why is her voice so
I asked
squeaky?
for some more yellow.
What?
More yellow.
Okay, I don't know what is going on. We had a fantastic time. Everybody's extra sugared up.
Actually, no, not sugar.
Actually,
Thanks, Oscar.
it is.
No, it's not. Actually, it has icing.
I see. Okay, now we're headed home to send everybody to their rooms.
You and me are going out.
All right, we're back home. We're actually, well, we're back home. We're just dropping the kids off for a minute. Mike and I go out for a little bit. We have a couple errands to run. And we are actually going to go and, why? We're gonna go and, not gonna buy anything, but we have been thinking / talking about possibly getting a second vehicle, because we have been without a second vehicle for many years, which, like, I'm not even gonna start to complain about any of that, because, you know, it is what it is. But we have been thinking about it for a while now, and we sort of have like a budget that we are thinking, you know, that we could do anyway. So we're gonna go look at some cars. We're not really sure. We're kind of just starting from scratch and just getting kind of some ideas of what, if anything, we might consider as a good fit as a second car. It would probably most likely be like Mike would be driving the second car to work and I would keep the van, obviously, because we're not necessarily looking for a second vehicle that's going to fit the entire family. So anyway, that's what we're gonna go do. We're just gonna check out a couple of spots and see if we even, you know, we're just gonna try out some cars and see. The kids are having their screen time right now, so the boys are upstairs with Finley playing the Xbox, and then the little girls are here, and they've got some Lego friends, and Joe's hanging on to the iPad, and so they're gonna they're gonna chill out for a little bit while Mommy and Daddy go frolicking into town. I'm just putting on my boot. I smell like smoke because when we were at the Sugar Bush thing, part of it they had like a fire going, and so I smell like a bonfire. Whoa, I smell like a bonfire without the marshmallows. and the warm summer weather. Not gonna change because we only have so much time while these places are open. And I'm representing the Raptors, so I'm not gonna change whether I smell smoky or not. Just saying. Doing my Raptor stance. Doing my Raptor. To anybody who knows me in real life, I'm sorry. I apologize. Better here on film than when I'm standing beside you in real life. So this is a Jeep Compass. This is a nice little car. What I really want, guys, is that one over there. You see that Jeep over there, the black one? The Gilmore Girls Jeep. Except it's sold today, apparently. But it seats 5, and it's got like a lot of space in the trunk for groceries and stuff. It has heated seats? Mm-hmm. Wow.
I like to look at the things that don't really matter.
It's got a plug.
Put your fridge in the back.
Yeah, Mike just pointed out this one. No offense if you own this car.
Well, no one owns that.
But I said to him, I told him I wouldn't drive this car. I told Mike to just get a truck, like a real truck.
I don't know if this is a real truck though. This is a real
To carry all the supplies he needs to do all the house things, house projects.
Feel warmer?
Yeah. Mike had to give me his coat. Well, he didn't have to, but he did. Because
yeah,
it's nice out, but it's not.
Did a classic girl. No, no.
What about this one?
I'm okay.
What about this one? That's a nice one. You like something like that?
I don't want to pay for the gas and something like that.
I don't even know if that would fit in our driveway. It's huge. Look how big it is.
This wouldn't fit in our yard.
Then there's also the option of just getting another fan. Because there's a lot of Honda Odysseys like ours. But we're happy with ours, you know? We're in the Jeep, what is it called again? Compass. This is the first one we were looking at.
It's a little bit go-karty.
What do you mean by that?
Well, that's why I'm saying that you should drive.
No. Why are you saying that? Meaning how?
It's not super smooth.
You think so?
Yeah, it's a little bit like driving a little go-kart.
Do you think it's like the Jeep, or do you think it's like this, like this kind of car?
No, I think it's the fact that it's a Jeep.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
Okay, well that was short-lived. Now we're in a Toyota RAV4.
No, we are not.
That's what it says here.
No, it's not a RAV4.
That's what it says. Toyota what?
I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to mess with you.
I'll just tell everybody what I said. He said they had an Infinity, and I said, who makes that?
No,
listen,
then you said,
I don't pretend to know things I don't know. I just don't. Yeah, because I saw, well, not the guy, I said it's mine. Anyway, but this one's kind of nice because it has a third row. There's not a lot of room back there, but like in a pinch, you know? Because
bad kids could go to the back.
The other thing is that, like, if Mike, you know, when he drives like the older kids to youth, a lot of times we're picking up friends and dropping off, you know, friends of the kids and stuff, like to take them also. So if you had like someone sitting in my seat and then 2 back there, you could fit at least another 2 kids, like another extra 2 kids if you had to. How does this one feel?
Good. There's the van we need right there. Wow, look at that thing.
Now that you're saying that, like, I can tell the difference. This one's smoother. It drives smoother. Yeah.
Which I wouldn't care. Like, I'm not saying anything negative about the Jeep, but it is a certain style of driving that you and I aren't into anymore because we're old.
Wow. Speak for yourself.
We want to be comfortable.
Speak for yourself, Grandpa.
We want to be comfortable and slurp our prune juice.
Oh my gosh. I'm sitting back in our van. Man, it got cold. It was so nice when we were, and it's sunny, when we were at the Sugar Bush. And now the wind has picked up and it is cold. I'm wearing 2 coats. Anyway, I don't know if we're gonna test drive another one. Like I said, we're not buying today because we have just started looking. But that was fun. That was fun. And then, yeah, I don't know if we're going anywhere after this. It's pretty close to dinner time, like, you know, and movie night and all the things like that. So probably just head home. All right, we finished driving, what was it, a CRV? What was it?
Yeah.
CRV, I hated it. Now we're driving the Infinity, which is just an Infinity.
The Chrysler Infinity.
What do you think about the driving? You haven't said anything.
Oh, I think it's very nice.
This is a super nice car. The leg room, more importantly, is crazy. The leg room is insane. I don't even have my seat all the way back. That's the first thing. And it's got lots of nice things. We have the heated seats on right now. And it doesn't have a third row, but it has a spacious
There, look at the camera now that I'm
second row.
Here,
Did you take a look at the trunk?
3D camera action.
And it has a sunroof. Can you stop it? Oh my gosh, can you stop?
We gotta know things.
I don't want you driving that way or
This is
a
not-
child.
How are we gonna buy this car? We can't buy this car.
Why?
Because Eli's not starting to learn on an Infinity.
Why?
Because this is 10 times the car he can handle. You know how much trouble I would have gotten in a car like this?
We're not buying it for him. It's not his car.
This is a car he's gonna drive.
But why are you saying it like that? Like,
Because this is 10 times more car than he needs.
okay, fine.
He'll be squealing the tires.
Yeah, but it's the right amount of car that we need. Anyway, it's a very nice car. Just saying.
Oh yeah, the seat's very adjustable.
See, you're caving. Figured out dinner for Mike and I. The kids are going to be having chips. No, the kids are going to be having pizza and stuff at home. So Mike and I are having our own Fiesta.
Fiesta Bowl?
Yeah, Fiesta Bowl. No, they're not for church. They don't have to be for church. Hey! Wait, what was I doing last time? What was I doing last time? Oh yeah, I remember. I remember what I was doing. I said that sometimes Jake, it's okay. Hey, put that tongue away. That's her defense when she's getting got, is the tongue. Put that tongue away. Okay, we finished dinner. Now the kiddos are doing chores. Where did Finley go? Did she do a chore?
No, she was smart and left before.
Did she really though?
No, she did.
Okay, she can load probably the dishes then.
Mom, I was going through, Charlotte's coming in behind me, so I just grabbed onto Daddy when I was along.
Oh, okay. So you two need to go get Jammy J's on. Chores. Your mouth hurts. Why does your mouth hurt? Do you need a drink of water? Here. Where did your water bottle go? Daddy's gonna go find your water bottle, okay? You need to get jammies, because we're gonna start the movie, okay? Tomorrow we're gonna go to a movie theater, but tonight we're gonna watch a movie here at home.
Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I fall asleep in 30 seconds.
What, at a movie theater?
Yes.
Yeah, I know.
Mommy, when we start the movie in the theater, it will
Oh
be
my
dark.
gosh, Finley just made a bomb point.
What?
Wonderful.
Yeah, I know. We knew that though, man.
No, but I wasn't thinking of that just now.
hour of sleep.
What? Oh, and bedtime. 7:30 bedtime. All right, guys. I'm just going to say a quick good night. The kids are watching Secret Life of Pets 2. Unfortunately, Mike had to run back into work. Boo-hoo for that. He's going to be in there for probably a couple of hours and then he'll head back home. So I'll be on my own tonight, putting the kiddos to bed. And it's daylight savings, so hooray, hurrah. Wish us luck getting to church on time tomorrow. Just saying. Doesn't look promising. On that note, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. We had a great day today and looking forward to hanging out and spending some more time together tomorrow. So I hope you're doing well. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Follow us over on Instagram. If you didn't already know, I also have a second channel. It's linked down below. If you want to see some different kind of content from me, you can head on over there and subscribe as well and catch up on some videos. I'd love to see you guys heading over there as well. And yeah, until next time, have a great night.